It's me, Amit Sarkar. So I'd like to show you the interior view of this Slice restaurant. It's a very fantastic place. This is Sir Pranjit Goswami from Lakhimpur. So he is my very close friend now. I met him in Sanjangam Sangam School. So when I went there as an external. So today Sir brought me here. You can see a nice place. The Slice. It is in Lakhimpur. So I like to make a tour of this place. Like Sir will accompany us today.
Sure, definitely.
Okay. And he is a very generous person, very kind-hearted person. My vibes really matches with him. So
Thank
that
you
is
so
why
much for
I wanted to meet him. It was a planning for since long time.
I'll take this as a very pleasant compliment. Okay, thank you so much. And really our vibes are matching.
And call me when you get married now.
Sure.
I will surely coming. Okay.
Definitely.
So let us have some inside view of this life. एकदम cool, peaceful environment. एकदम systematic arranged. एकदम hygienic, clean, everything is fine. TV is on. See the arrangement. Very nice. It looks very auspicious. And perfectly food here, coffee. So we can have some good time here also. It's a good place to. It's a really good place to spend with your family, your friends, your girlfriends, whatever who would like to be here. So the first time I get in this place, I really love the place. Okay. And this is the color contrast of this, and the nice to see. Also very outstanding. গলাই যাও ভাল লাগিছে না cool wow, that's superb. You can see the view, delicious view of the food that we will have. Really, I'm thankful to, I don't know his name, naam to kisi tuma? Thank you, he's serving today's food. Thank you, Rupam. Thank you so much, sir, for giving such a special treat to me. So it's really been
welcome, and I'll be very soon visiting your place.
Sure. Do come. You're welcome every time. Like just, I need to have a little good time with you, na?
Definitely.
So I also make you visit my home. I also make my home like with my own hard-earned money.
Sure. I'm also just continuing with the same.
Sure. So it was really nice place.
Yeah.
So I like this place. The evening was really great, super. I never thought that today will be such a special evening for me. So for Sir, it's really become so. It's a good evening for me, na?
Yeah.
Very good evening.
No, actually, it was like today was a busy day also, but we ended.
But still, I'm so
nicely.
thankful that at least out of his busy life schedule, he take out some time for me. It really means a lot. So it's.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. So we'll be able to stay connected like that, na?
Sure.
Because connections makes the relation more stronger.
Definitely.
Otherwise, if you're not connected, what happens? Your own people, your own blood-related people will go away from you.
Sure.
Huh? But the distinct people will become your own if you have give time and feel connectivity. That's all.
Connectivity is
very important.
Okay. Bye.
We are going ahead to our home.
Second.
Yes.
Seatbelt is compulsory, right?
Yes, it is very important. So we should maintain the traffic rule. But every time it feels really disgusting, right?
This sound.
Sometimes rules are meant to break it. I believe this. Why rules are meant to break it, right? So yeah,
I prefer to follow as much I can.
Very good. We have to follow the rules.
Yeah.
It's all about the safety of common citizen, right?
Correct.
So Sir is a very good driver. You can say his driving skill is very good. He's been driving for last
so much.
6 years. So that's good. Okay. So I'm expecting to have a long ride with him. So
We will be planning it very soon.
I will also be contributing some of the share from my side.
Definitely.
So that's another. So there will be soon another special vlog from our side. There will be
A travel blog.
Yeah.
A travel blog coming soon.
A new member will be coming in Sar's family. I will not reveal. Nah. Two new members, not one member.
Okay.
2 new members will be coming. So that's gonna be a special moment. So I like to share to my YouTube family. I can say it's a very small, beautiful. I'm in a growing stage now because I often don't get time, sir. So rarely I make and like, but I have a lot of interest.
Still, this is very great. Like in your this busy schedule, also you are like maintaining or what I'll say, you're following your passion. Okay.
Right. Because I should feel like leaving now. Otherwise, doing my regular monotonous, regular job, I feel very like hectic and bored of
Always,
boring
yeah.
life. So I want to add some
Motivation is-
spicy.
Yeah. Always we prefer something new as a motivation.
Right. That's all.
Whatever the source.
So we that's why you can see I used to play the musical instruments. Right?
Yeah, that's great,
I
that's
don't
great.
I cannot sing song, but still I love to sing song. Nah. I know like
You are just underestimating yourself. I have seen your videos. You are really a good musician.
OMG, no like that. Just I like it, but I'm not a pro in that case. But surely if I go on trying, right, playing every day, I can improve that skill also.
Sure,
Because
sure.
skill is something like mathematics. As you practice more, you'll become more perfect on that.
Yeah, like we can relate everything with practice on whatever we are doing. This driving also like as much as you keep
Same,
on
sir.
doing,
Same.
yeah.
Music also same thing. It's become
Yeah.
muscle memory.
Correct.
When you practice more, it becomes muscle memory. Automatically comes. You don't need to think on it.
Exactly.
And see, the automatically your legs, your head, controlling the entire system.
Yes.
But your focus is here. You're talking to me. Every organ is like working, functioning.
Correct.
Along with it, it's all about muscle learning. It's very important, and that comes with vigorous, continuous practice, right? So, my students, the same thing goes to you also. Whatever subject you're big maths or science or physics, whatever you say, the practice is the only key to become flow, to become easy, to make it perfect, right? So that's also
There
like
is no shortcut for practice. There is no shortcut for hard work or practice.
right.
More we keep on practicing whatever the skill we have, either it is education, studies, music, playing, practice is the key to success.
Okay. So now it's time for me to leave now. So thank you
Yeah,
once
it was
again,
very
sir.
Nice meeting you, sir.
Thank you so much,
Definitely,
sir.
and we're going to meet very, very soon.
Okay, very well. That's all. Bye bye.